Ok, maintenant une plongée dans la douche. On va faire ouvrir ton cœur. Ouvre-moi ton cœur et laisse-moi t'aimer. Open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my life begin. The sun's gonna shine, there'll be blue skies again. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. I know you've been hurt by a whole lot of fear, but darling, don't blame me, I wasn't even there. You lonely nights I would bring to him down. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my life begin. The sun's gonna shine, there'll be blue skies again. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. Somewhere before me as I treated you like dirt. Somewhere before me as I made you hard. Your lonely nights I will bring to him down. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my love begin. The sun's gonna shine, there'll be blue skies again. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my love come in. Open up your heart, let my life begin. The sun's gonna shine, there'll be blue skies again. When you open up your heart, let my love come in. When you open up your heart, let my love come. Hey, 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 merci beaucoup. Tu sais, j'aime ça me dire.